Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another pre-market analysis video brought to you by Coin Learnity. And as usual, we will be taking a quick look at the dollar index. Now, looking at the dollar index can clearly see that we are still in a bullish trend because we are creating higher highs and higher lows. Now, if you look closely to this price chart here, you can clearly see that we have a bullish order block here. And if you look closely once more, you will also notice that we have kind of a small fair value gap in here also. So what is my expectation for this coming week? This coming week, I'm anticipating price to kind of retrace into any of these points of interest, either this or this, before pushing upwards. Now, if that is going to happen, where do you think will be my target? My target is now this high here, right? That will be my target for this coming trade. So with that in mind, let's go back to Euro USD and see what we have there. Now, if the dollar index is bullish, Euro USD is going to be bearish. So we're going to be having similar setup to that is opposite similar setup to the dollar index on the Euro USD. Now you can see that we are clearly in a bearish trend here. So what are my expectations? Same thing. If you look here, you can see that we have a bearish order block, multiple candle order block here, and what I'm using for is for price to retrace to this order block before going down. So if this is my trade, that is, let me get my line to here. What I'll be looking for to something like this. Likewise, the dollar index. So if this is my trade, what will be my target for this trade? My target for this trade is simply going to be this old low here. So this is going to be my target for this coming trade. So that is what I'm going to be looking for. So if you go down to, let's say, the 4-hour time frame to get more details about this, so you can clearly see you have this PUI here. So what might actually happen on the 4-hour? Let me delete this line first of all. What you might see happen on the 4-hour is kind of a stop run. So you might actually see price go above this 4-hour high into this daily point of interest. Then we start, once you're in that daily point of interest, you might then kind of shift or break structure and start going lower to take out that old low. So guys, that will be all for this video. Remember to always practice good risk management on your accounts. I will see you all in the next video.